Okay. Create here one more application, console application. There also we create one more code for one more application. It uses code first. Here using data annotations, we develop the application.
Window form base
No, it's not form. No, console application.
console application.
Yes.
Okay. So okay, it's a today. Okay.
We use once
So
again the code first approach using data annotation.
today, so different we start a new application
Yes, yes,
called
yes.
data.
New application we start, but this time using data annotation we use.
One second.
See, whenever you talk about this data validation, it is a key aspect for developing web applications. Okay, so with the help of data annotation, we decorate the fields. We are going to decorate fields and we give a directive to the compiler there. So these are available. Data annotation attributes are available. These classes are available in the system.component model dot data annotations namespace. Okay, they are available with the
Uh,
ASP.NET web applications, websites, then normal Windows Forms applications, console applications, everywhere they are available. So data
so,
annotations help us to define the rules to the model classes or properties for data validation and displaying suitable message to end users. Data annotations we use to define the rules to the model classes or properties for data validation and display suitable messages to end users. So here data annotations we can use. They help us to define the rules to the model classes or properties for data validation and displaying suitable message to end users in MVC applications. In entity framework also we use it. The different annotation attributes, data type is one, display name is one, display format is one more thing, required is one, regular expression is one, range is one, string length is one, max length is one, then bind is one. So like this we can use different data annotations in the MVC. Data annotations we can use with entity framework also. Different data annotations we can use with entity framework.
okay. Okay, I have a question.
Yes.
Yesterday, you said that about the code first,
Yes.
database first,
Yes.
model first, and
Yes.
schema first approach.
Yes. Yes.
So in the yesterday we discussed about the code first approach,
Yes.
right?
Yes. Yes.
So which is POCO. But now you are talking about the model first or
No,
database
no.
first?
This is also code first approach. There we use annotations with the classes. POCO you create. There you can decorate the fields of the classes using annotations. Then with the help of that we can be making the database. So entity
Okay.
framework code first provides a set of data annotation attributes which we can apply on our domain classes and properties. So data
Okay.
annotation attributes overrides default code first conventions. So these different types of annotations we have. First thing is going to be key. Key meaning is it's a primary key. So this is going to mark as entity key which will be mapped to primary key of related table. Other one is timestamp. So this is a property as a non-nullable timestamp column in the database. That means default value it's going to take. Concurrency check you have, that will be then required annotation is nothing but actually it is not null. It's going to be something like not null. The required annotation will force EF to ensure that property has data in it. So required meaning is what? It's not null. Compulsorily you have to enter data in that. Then you have minimum length. So for string, maximum length for string you can specify. String length also, how many characters you want to have in that you can put. They are with they are mostly with the columns we use. The key attribute, timestamp attribute, then required attribute, min length attribute, max length attribute. Then similarly, string length also we can specify there. Then similarly, we can use schema attributes. The schema attributes are going to be table name you can specify there, column name you can specify with that, index. So whether you are going to index it or not, it specifies. You can use foreign key attribute. Okay, so like this we are going to be using the schema attributes also. Table attribute, column attribute, foreign key attribute, index attribute we can use. So these can be called as here schema attributes. The other one is going to be simply normal attributes like timestamp, then required, min length, max length, like this. It's for the validation purpose. They are read for the validation purpose. So others are read for actually schema based. That means the table name, the column name, foreign key, such things you can be specifying there. So now come to the code. In this code, let us try to develop a simple application here using data annotations. We use here data annotations. With the help of that we do. But here what is required? First of all, you must download you need to install the entity framework. How do you install entity framework?
Yes, we go to the notation.
Not that. You go to the PM. PM is what? Package manager. NuGet package manager. So what do you write here? Install.
Can you give me one moment? Just close my stop my alarm. Just keep going. Give me one moment. Just coming back. Sorry for that. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, it's an install. Install NuGet, right?
Yes.
And just enter.
Now in this what you can do is see. Okay, install. What do you write? No, NuGet is not required. NuGet is the package manager itself. Automatically this is available with you. Just give install, then write entity framework, type. Entity framework. Yesterday you tried with this. Entity framework. Type, write new install entity framework. Entity framework. Type entity framework, right? No space.
Okay.
Yes, press enter key.
Oh,
What it
yes.
says here?
I think install entity frame framework.
Yes,
There's no space, right? And install
no
is
space. Yes, now press enter key there. Install entity framework.
no, it's not.
Right
Okay.
there, get help entity framework.
Get help?
Yes. Yesterday, what command you gave?
Yeah, yeah. 1 second. 1 second. Uh,
Right there, install package. Install hyphen package you put. Install
install
hyphen
package.
package.
Oh,
Install
okay.
minus symbol. Put minus symbol
Hyphen
package. Give a space, then write entity framework. No. Simply it can't do anything. Now type. Once again
Okay.
type. Package it is,
Okay.
what package it is. You need to write entity framework. Put remove the space. Press enter key at the end. Yes.
It says successfully add entity framework 6.1.3 to data notation.
Okay. Now what to do? Go on to the top. Okay. Now go to the beginning of this using. You come to using there. Using, come to next. On the top you come there.
Yeah.
Using, what do you write there? Using system dot data dot entity. System dot data dot entity you put semicolon. Next write using system dot component dot data annotations. Component model dot data annotations semicolon. Once again you write using system dot component model dot data annotations dot component model dot data annotations dot select data annotations dot schema. Take schema. Yes, semicolon you put. Now try to define few classes. Come down, you define another class. Not after class program, one more class you write. I'm asking you to define new class. Yes, there. No, new class. You cannot define class within the class. Can you define the class in the class?
No.
After that you need to write. No, within the namespace. Press enter key. There you define a class. Write the class as, yes. Write the class as here. Put it as put employee. Put it as employee. Put it as here employee. Okay. Followed by come to the class. Inside the class, right there, public int, right, id you put, id, capitalize small d, then write, start and close curly braces, set and get you put, set and get inside this,
Oh,
set semicolon, no, press enter key, that's fine. It can be the next line, set semicolon, get semicolon, you can put. You can mark this as, go to the above this property method, come to the above line, you come there, above that line, press enter key. See here in the square brackets, put a square bracket, start a square bracket, okay. In that write key, K-E-Y you write, just write key. In the brackets you write key.
in the bracket?
In the brackets, yes.
P?
Not T, key, K-E-Y.
Okay, okay.
Yes. Select it. That means it's a primary key now. Key meaning is what? It's a primary key. This is called as a scheme annotation. It's called as primary key there. Okay.
Okay.
Similarly, right there, write public string name. Public string name. Okay. Here also get and set you write. Set semicolon get. So on the top of that, put one more annotation required. In that you put required annotation, required, yes, that means not null, meaning is.
Okay.
Now write the next one, public, DOB, public date time, DOB.
Okay.
Okay. DOB you put, capital D, capital O, capital B you put there because it's abbreviation. It looks fine in such cases. Right. Now inside this put set and get. Get or set or get, whatever you want, in whatever way you would like to put, you can put there. Now above the public date time, right there required again the square brackets. Yes. Like this you created 3 columns of the employee table. Okay, it can be employee entity. Now come to one more class, create another class. Scroll down, create one more class there called as address. Right there, public class address. Right there, public class address. Now inside this write, first thing is what? Address ID is required. Right there, public INT, right, the address ID, the class name should have, and at the same time ID if you put, it takes as primary key, capital I small d you take. Okay, inside this set and get you write, set semicolon get semicolon. On the top of that one write, it is a key. Yes, it's nothing but foreign key you kept. Now next line you come there. So in the address, what can be the different? We have pin code or zip code. Put zip code. Public string zip code.
Public.
Yes.
It is a string, right?
Yes.
I put string?
Yes, string only that is.
Okay.
Here next write, this is zip code is also required. That's correct. One more thing you write there, another property that has to be here. Write, you need to link this with the that table. What is the table? The employee table. With that you must link.
Employee table.
Yes, you need to link with the employee table. Right there, public int empid you put empid empid, yes, empid, no, no, comma by empid. Okay, now in the set and get you write.
So sorry.
Set get.
Yeah.
So here you need to map in with the ID of the, with what ID you map this? You are going to map with the ID of the employee. Right there, write it as here. Foreign key, you put foreign key. Right, foreign key, you have in the bottom attribute foreign key. Yes, here write in the foreign key. After that, start the bracket, normal bracket. No, there only after foreign key, normal bracket you put. Normal bracket. Write in the double quotes employee. Write employee. Close double quotes, close the bracket. Okay. Then here one more important thing is try to create there one more property. Write public virtual right, public virtual give there employee followed by right there employee, give a space. Yep. No, after that give a space. After employee put once again employee.
Okay.
Employee you put in the brackets, start curly braces, set and get you right. No, curly braces, set and get.
Yeah. Set.
Get, like this you can put it. So like this it's created for you. Okay, so it's going to create in that way. This is called as here navigation property. We say this as a navigation property. So with the help of this, with the navigation property, we can navigate from one entity to another entity. From one entity to connected entity, we can navigate.
Okay.
So in such case, what happens? If for example, here you have a role. Okay. So in such cases, what happens? Using role navigation, we can read the role associated with the user. Users and role are associated. So every user you may be associating with role. In such cases, you can see. So here, this is basically called as a navigation property. You can be navigating from one entity to another entity using here navigation property. This is called as here a navigation property in this. See, navigation properties are nothing but it's a way entity frameworks with which represent foreign key relationships inside the database. Navigation properties allow you to define relationships between entities, rows in the database. So with the help of that, it makes sense in an object-oriented language.
Okay.
So with the help of the navigation properties, it allows us to do just with our database models.
Sorry, what is that?
With the help of with this, we can work with the database models. Then
Yeah.
when we use navigation properties in our code, we are asking entity framework to actually perform SQL join between the two tables.
Yes.
Whenever you use navigation, automatically it's going to be joining the two tables here. For that purpose, we use here the navigation property.
Okay.
So now let us try to write some kind of code in this. So we created here the two required entities. Then other thing is what you must create now database context.
Okay.
Database context is created here, correct, Mansoor?
Okay. Yeah.
Create the database context. Create the
Database
database context. How do you create the database context? One more class you need to create, not inside that another class you must create. It's
Okay.
neither address class nor other thing is what here. It's neither address class nor it is. So here, right now, one more class you need to create. Right? Public class. What do you write in this? This is going to be right. Person context you write or
Person.
employee EMP context. Put it as EMP context. EMP context. TEXT context.
Contacts.
Put colon. From where you inherit this? Not context. Only context. It's only context.
Okay.
So from where you inherit this? From the DB context you are going to inherit it.
Here, right? With this.
No. DB context.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yesterday we did. Yes. DB.
Context.
Okay. The,
Third one, see your third one.
yeah. Here we go.
Yes.
DB
After
contact.
put the curly braces. Inside that, now try to set. Press enter key. So inside that, write it. What do you write here inside this? You need to create first of all a constructor. Write public EMP context.
Yes. Public.
Give a space. Write EMP context.
Yep.
Okay. Followed by colon. You put base. No base small BAC.
Yep.
Start the bracket. The double quotes. Inside that, what you write? In the base, what you write, Mansoor? Inside that,
Inside the code,
name.
we write connection.
No. Name equal to.
Yeah. Name is equal to DB con.
Connection string name, whatever it is. Write dbcon.
DB con. Yeah.
Okay, dbcon you write. After that, start the brackets, curly brackets. Inside that, now try to write this piece of code. So you can use here this time some different way. I typed something in the chart window, copy and paste that.
Oh, okay.
So here change it. I mean, it's not person context. It should be here. What context that is going to be for us? EMP context. You put it. Put EMP context. Yes. At the end also you must put EMP context. Put it EMP context. Yes. After that, what you must do is start the put start at the end you put brackets, two brackets first you put at the end, total at the end you need to start bracket, yes, one more bracket you put semicolon, and one more bracket you close, semicolon you put, yes, press enter key. Okay, where why error is coming, just move cursor over it, like a type user it says, database dot initializer it says. No, we are not using like a type, we create some object there.
No, this is not comes here. Dot set like database. When I write database,
Just write there, database
yeah,
dot,
dot is no, not coming. Nothing.
nothing is coming here. Fine.
Yeah.
So name, base, dbcon we have taken. So when you move to the colon here, in the place of colon, if you move cursor, what happens? See there. Go to the colon. Yes, there. You are missing class in this. See, where is the class? It's not class. Correct only. Constructor. This is. But after EMP
Yes.
context, you need to put the curly parenthesis, empty set of parenthesis. Before that, how do you define constructor?
Yeah, I put the
No. After EMP context, you require C. After EMP context, you need to put empty set of brackets. EMP context, not there. With the constructor.
Oh, yeah.
Where is constructor?
here.
No,
Like
why you
that?
put the bracket? Remove the bracket there. That bracket is not required. I am talking about the constructor. Delete the bracket. Yes. Where is constructor in this?
This is
Where is the bracket after EMP context in this? Where are the set of brackets in this after EMP context? Not that. The public EMP context, after that, where is the set of brackets? Empty set of brackets are required. Before colon. Before colon. Before that, yes, put brackets there too. Starting bracket, closing bracket.
like that.
Yes.
Oh yes. Oh sorry.
This is
Yeah,
the
yeah.
constructor. Like this, you need to put.
Okay. Yes.
Now this is going to, whenever model changes, automatically it drops existing database, creates new database here with this C. What we have written, database initializer, EMP context, new drop create database, if model changes, EMP context. Whenever model is changing, automatically it drops that one, it creates new one. Understood, Mansoor here?
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Now come to within this same class, you are coming to the end of the class. Before that line you have to come.
Before database.
No, not that. Not in the constructor, but outside constructor in the same class. There you
Same
write.
class. Okay.
DB set
Okay.
you create. DB set.
Oh, DB set. Yeah.
Yes, create DB set. Public, you must use public. See, first you
Public
must use public, then you should come to DB set.
Yes.
Public DB set. Then after that put less than symbol. So here inside this you must put first of all employee. Okay. Then after the greater than symbol, put it as here EMPS. Put EMPS.
Just MPS.
EMPS, yes. EMPS. The brackets write get semicolon, set semicolon. Get semicolon, set semicolon, you write. Yes. Similarly with the addresses. Next one, take copy and paste. In the place of employee, you put now address this time. Right, ADS just. In the place of EMPS, ADS you put. Small a you take. ADS. Get set. Fine. Like this you created. Save it now. Go to the web.config, app.config file. There you create the connection string. Open the app config file. Where is app config file? Yes, that one.
Yes.
Now create. Yes. But after config sections you create. After config sections, there you create actually the connection string. What is the connection string name? What
dbcon.
name used in the that one DB context? What is the name of the connection string used, Mansoor? There?
dbcon.
Okay, fine. Right there.
Yeah, this
Fine.
is
Just take
this
it. Right
dbcon.
here. Add name equal to dbcon. Give space. Name equal to dbcon. Then write here. Connection string equal to what do you write here? No space in the beginning. Don't put any space in the beginning. Yes, server equal to. Yes, Mansoor slash Mahar. Okay, semicolon you put. Then write database equal to. So what you write here? EMPDB you
Uh,
write. EMPDB.
e
EMPDB. DB you put. Yes, semicolon. Integrated security equal to true you put now. Integrated security equal to true. Write true. Semicolon you, then after that what you write? Provider name.
provider
Yes,
name.
equal to what you write? System.data.sql
System.sql
client.
data.
System.data.sql client. SQL client. Okay. Fine. You created that. Now come to the.
No, but this is come error here. What is that? The element cannot be contained white space.
See, where is the slash? Where is the closing tag for that? Give a space. Give a space. Slash you put. Slash. How do you close the link?
Yeah,
That one. Put greater than symbol.
I
Yes, yes. That's all. Put. Fine. That is.
oh, they put add here like that.
Why add is
I
required?
don't know.
Remove the add in the ending. That's all.
Okay.
Delete the add in the beginning. In the ending. No, no. In the ending you
Oh,
delete the add. Fine.
okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. It's add automatically comes up at
Yes.
that.
Now
Okay.
come to the code program.cs. In this you write it main file main method. So go to the beginning of that. Here try to create in this right using right
Yeah.
here using in the main method come to the main method. Within the
Yeah.
main method right using small u small fine using. After that, start the bracket, normal bracket. Right here, normal bracket. Right in the brackets where we are, where, right. Here in this right, EMPCTX. Give a space, EMPCTX. CTX, employee context, EMPCTX. EMPCTX. Write all the lowercase letters.
CTX.
Yes, CTX. Employee context that means.
Okay. Okay.
So give a space where EMP CTX equal to write new EMP context. New EMP context. You got EMP context. Start and close brackets there. See, at the end of the next bracket, at the end of next bracket, put curly braces. Yes, inside that right, press enter key. Press enter key, right? Here empctx dot database dot create. Use create here. Create. Start and close brackets. Semicolon you put. Put semicolon? No, just semicolon. Press enter key now. Try to do like this. Console.write line, database created. Database, console.write line, write line, database created successfully. Write line, database created successfully. Okay, try to run that. Run the application. Yes. Is database and everything correct?
Okay, I'll check.
Refresh, everything you refresh. Come to the application, see any error you have in that? Got empdb created, see? Got
Yes,
created
it's here.
empdb. Yes. Expand that.
I don't know.
No, no, see. Tables, how many tables are in this? See?
Database does
Yes,
not
click
have
on
more
yes,
than one.
yes, click on yes.
Okay.
No, no, don't see that. You go into database diagram.
This is address and imply.
Yes, addresses and employees you got. Okay, you gave address, but automatically addresses and employees is getting added. Correct one that is.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah.
correct. Now click on that database diagrams. Right click on that.
Yes. I don't know. It's slow. Let's keep going. Just 1 second. Yeah, it's working. This migration history comes automatically.
Yes, yes, yes. It puts history.
Okay.
Now select both the things. Yes, these two tables only. Add. close this. Any, you got relationship automatically now in this.
Yeah. Yes.
So EMP ID and ID are getting mapped in this.
Yes. It's
Now what to do? Yes, try to add one more table there. Department table now you add in this. Come to the code, in that you write department. Yes, come to this code. In this code write one more entity, one more class you make. The class is called as your department. Another class you make. Yes, right there. Public followed by class department. Department. Yes, start the curly brace. In that write. So what you write here? First write public int ID you put.
department.
Department ID or ID, whatever you want to put, you can put. Department ID you put. Same class name it should be. Department ID. No, department ID you write. Department ID. Department ID. Start and close here. Curly braces. Yes. Right here set and get. Okay. On the top of that one, try to mark it as, first one you mark as key. This is the primary key. No. Where you mark primary key?
Here.
Yes, write it. Square brackets you take in the right key. Yes. Now come to the department name. Next come to the department name. Right there. Public. It's not key this time, required only you can use. Write it as here required. Write this as here department name. String department name. Yes. Department name. Okay. Now come to the this table, employee table. You come to the employee table. In the employee table, add here one more key you must add after that. Right. In that right, public int.
Yeah.
That's correct. Department ID. But there, what you write? Foreign key. Not required. That's foreign key. Foreign key. Where you put? That's foreign key. So in the brackets, normal brackets, in the curly braces, put it as, sorry, not curly braces, in the double quotes. In the double quotes, you put it, what is the table name? Department. Spelling mistake should not be there. Department. Yes. Now what you do? Once again, try to run the application. Come to the code once. No. Come to program.cs.
This.
Yes, that's correct.
So
that's correct.
That's the ID.
ID is mapping. Department ID you have in the foreign key table. You have department ID or not?
Yes.
Come to the department table you have there. See, come down.
Yeah, this one here.
So you have here department ID. It maps with that.
Yes. Okay.
Got it. Next thing you write here DB set. Take DB set. One more you add in the DB set. Public DB set department less than department. After that write DEPTS, just put DEPTS. Start the curly brace. Set and get you write. Set semicolon, get semicolon. That's all. So now once again try to save it and come to the program.cs once. Okay. Come to the main method. Main method. No, you have the same file. Come to the main method in this. In the main method, come to that. Okay. Keep a breakpoint in this. In the using, you keep a breakpoint. On the using, you put a breakpoint.
Using, okay.
Where it is? Oh, there. No, not there. Above that line, because it's ultimately message.
Yeah.
Yes. Now start working with that. Yes. Press F10. You can go after continue. Press F10. Yes, F10. F10. Press F10.
Yeah. It's
Processing
going.
it.
Yeah. Oh,
Completed.
I got an exception on handling exception.
Okay.
Um,
So what you do? Just put update. Don't create, but put update. Click on OK. No.
There's a database already exists.
Correct. You put update in the place of create. Stop it from running. Then try to update. Write update in that. Yes, you write update. In the place of create, remove that and delete the create totally. Delete, no, don't delete that point. Up to dot you delete. You cannot put like that. Whether the method is available or not, you have to check first of all. Okay, totally you write. Even up the entire line you remove.
Yeah.
Remove that. The entire line you remove.
Yes.
No, remove
Okay.
that. Update also. Right now in this empctx. Write dot database. Then dot write dot update. You have update or not? Just see.
No update.
Okay. Then what you do in this?
We have delete. We have log exist. SQL query current not create exist. Not create exist.
Right there. Create if not exists you have here. But updation should be done for you in this. Okay. Right there. Create if not exists you put it. Go with the create
Sorry.
if not exists.
Create if not exist. Okay.
Take that. Start and close bracket and put semicolon. Yes. Now just try to run it.
Okay.
Press F10.
Okay. Go to F10.
Yes. Yes. Come out. You came out from that. Now go to the press enter key. Now come to the database and see whether the new entity is added or not. Refresh database and see.
Okay. Refresh database. Okay. DB. DB.
No, tables.
Yeah.
So it's not coming up. No, it's not coming up. It's not coming up.
Department is not there.
Department is not there. We need to have department in that.
Basically, we go to.
So what to do in such cases? Come to the code, stop it from running.
Okay.
Use an if condition.
I think the program.
No.
Program is executed.
Yes, stop it from running once. Fine. Now what to do in this? empxc database create if not exists. You have above the here right. Delete that statement totally. Delete that statement right there. If condition. You put if. Here the brackets right. empctx dot database dot exists dot take exists ex type. Here you have exist method. See next start and close brackets. Start bracket. Fine. After that, at the end of the last bracket, put a curly brace. Yes, inside that right. Press enter key. Inside that. Inside that. empctx dot database dot delete. Delete. Is delete is available in that?
Yes.
Okay. Dot you type again. Yes. Delete. Call the method.
Okay.
Start and close bracket there. semicolon you put. After that, press enter key. One again try to run this right here. empctx.database.create.
After curly bracket?
No, within the curly brackets. After the box you can put, yes. After curly brackets you put, that's fine. After curly brackets you put it. Write it. empctx.database.create. Yes, start with those bracket, semicolon. Now just try to run. Yes, proceed.
Oh, it's a database dot delete. Yes, exists. Yes,
Yes,
is this
some
then?
department ID, I think it's not same. Can you come to the code and in that can you check stop it from running? Can you come to
Yeah.
the, yes, yes. Okay, calm down and try to see. Here it is,
Yeah, this department ID, right?
integer. Go to the EMP table.
ENT table on main.
Yes.
Here, this is
Mm.
same.
Department ID, that is fine. And why it is not dropping it? Okay. Can you come to database and see what is in the database exactly? Just see. Now, what are available in the database? Just check there. Refresh it.
I just refresh first and DB.
EMPDB.
Yeah, this one, two tables.
Okay. Now, once again, come to the code. So, what you do? The department table try to put first. Above employee table try to put department table.
Where, sorry, where is that?
It is fine, fine. Employee class. Okay. Spelling is it correct? Department. Come to the
Yeah,
department class.
this is department class.
It's correct only. Department class. This is department ID, department name. Spelling is it correct? DEP department ID. Okay. Go up. Go to the beginning. EMP class. Go to EMP class. Okay. Department ID. Uh, okay. This is fine. So once again come to the code. Once again come to the code and try to run the code once again.
Which code?
Same code, whatever code is there, you try to run again that one. Proceed. Yes.
Yeah, it's not deleting the database.
Okay. Employee is not valid, it says data annotation. Correct. Stop it from running. Just stop it from running here. Okay. Now come to the code once again. So here what is written? Just come to the address table. What is written in the address table? See. Address table. Address entity. We have written like this. Copy same thing here. This one you copy. Public virtual employee. Here you have in the bottom. That one you copy.
This,
That one you copy.
this one?
Go to the employee
Yeah.
table. After department ID, put it. Yes.
Oh,
After
okay,
this
yeah.
department ID, put there. But here you change it to put it as in the place of employee. Put it department.
Okay.
Department. Yes. Put department. There also you put department. Now run this one. Navigation property is required.
The
Capital D,
department.
capital D only. Put capital D.
Oh, okay, okay.
Now try to run.
Okay. Save and run.
Press proceed now. Yes. Proceed.
It's something happening.
Yes.
something is like
It creates this time. The database gets created this time.
I will check.
Yes. Refresh.
Oh, it's again there.
Correct in use it says. Click on stop it here. Cannot drop. Okay. Come to the here. Come to SSMS. SQL Server Management Studio. You have opened it currently. No, no. SSMS. SQL Server Management Studio.
Yes.
Because right now all these windows are open. Close the diagrams here. Close the diagrams here. You have opened the diagram.
Oh,
Class diagram. Everything. All the windows you close. Yes. Close that. Yes. Even that one also you close. Try to open other database in this. Open other database.
okay. I open adventure.
Yes. Adventure works. Okay. Now try to run from there.
Excuse me. Okay.
Again try to run from there.
Okay.
No.
Now I run the application.
Yes. Yes. Run the application. Yes.
Database has
Yes.
created.
Press enter key now. Now come to database and check now. What are the tables available in this?
Okay. Yes. Now department. I got department.
Yes. You can check now the relationship diagrams.
Oh, but there's no department. There's no department.
You have just refresh it. Without refreshing, you can't get that. You try to refresh, you're getting now. What happened?
Okay. Oh, sorry. Yes, yes, yes.
Yes. Now close. How these are connected? See,
Yes.
it's working that way.
Yes. So this approach is called data notation, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Just a minute. So
Yeah. Yeah. Sure. Sure.
Do you have any configuration clause in this? Is it getting created for you?
Sorry, what is that?
You don't have any configuration clause here in this. Okay, you don't have any configuration clause. Therefore, here what we do, now we do some configuration clause.
Configuration class.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, do one thing. Create one new class called as configuration class. Go to the data notation. Not this is what exactly data notation application name is. Fine. Right click on the data notation here in the Solution Explorer. Go to Solution Explorer.
Yeah.
That one. Solution Explorer. Yes, in the below that one you have project. Click on the data notation. Right click on the data notation. Project you have on that one. Right click. Then go with the add followed by class name. Call it as configuration. Class configuration you write. Capital C with that start. Configuration. Put it as configuration.cs. Configuration. CGURATION. Configuration.
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 ATION.
Yes. GU. No. GU you are missing. GURATION. Yes. Configuration. Click on add there.
Yeah.
Okay. Then come to here. Where is a class available to you? This is fine. You put public before this. Public class you put. Public or public is also not required. You can remove public, no problem. Not required here. Remove public. So remove public. After configuration, put a colon. After configuration, you inherit from colon you put. Then write there. Write it as DB migration configuration. DB put DB migration type M migration MIG.
No, there's not any migration.
Okay, it should be available to you. DB migration configuration is required.
We use up here using system dot some using classes, some references, entity framework. Yes, data.
There on the top you write using system dot data dot on the top. Using system dot data dot entity dot system dot data dot data dot entity dot migrations dot put
Yeah,
migrations there, migrations, then dot db migrations you need to write. You have any db migrations there? Dot you
no,
put,
it's
that's all. Put semicolon there. That much only. Remove the dot, put semicolon. Here write class configuration colon db migrations you write. Here in this db migration put db you have see migration no don't select just db migration configuration. Delete that totally. Don't type there. Once again type db migration configuration. You have see that's how you take that. Followed by you write in that in the prop in the you take the less than symbol your configuration name is what exactly? What is the configuration name? I mean DB configuration, what it is yours? It is, I think, EMP configuration. Is it correct? EMP context it is.
Yes.
Yes, EMP context we kept. Inside that, define a constructor now. Inside the class, define a constructor, write it. Public configuration, yes, start and close brackets there, put curly brace in that, after that. Okay, then in this you write in this, automatic migrations enabled,
Sorry?
automatic migrations enabled, type automatic, yes, migrations enabled equal to true, you write. Okay, one more thing, automatic migration data loss allowed equal to true. Semicolon you put there semicolon.
Yeah.
Right, next, automatic
Data loss.
yes, equal to true also you write. Right, equal to true. Yeah, next one, come to seed method. There is one more method called a seed method after this. After the constructor, you put the seed method. Write it as protected override void seed. Right there, protected.
No,
Right,
no
protected. Small p you use. Small p. Protected. Right there, void override. First you put override. Override. Now before void you put override. Give a space, then write void. Give a space.
It's right ourselves.
No. After override, After override, put a void void, then take seed. You have a seed there. Seed. Select it. That's all. Automatically it comes up for you. Right here.
Yeah,
Base.seed context you have. That is fine. Automatically it's coming for you. Now go to the main method. Come to the main method. In the main method, try to write. In the main method, before you start this new EMP context, go to the new EMP context, go on to the top. Yes, press enter key. In that, try to write system.data. It's not required. Just write database. What database you write there? It is right. See, right. EMP context dot database. Right. That's all not required. EMP context you write there. EMP context.
I deleted.
Just write EMP. Right. EMP context.
It's not coming.
Otherwise, do one thing. Right. System.data.entity. System.data.entity. Database. Set initializer.
Yes.
Start the bracket after that. Now here write system.data.entity. System.data.entity. Migrate database to latest version. Now here before this you put new. Before the system.entity. Before that you put new here. Yes, you put a new. Yes, give a space. Entity.migrations. Right. Migrate, not migrations. Entity.migrate database to latest version.
There's no migrations.
Migrate database to latest version. Migrate, see, very first one, above migrations you have seen, that one, that one. Select it. Now put less than symbol there. Put a less than symbol.
Yep.
Here write your DB context is what? It is going to be EMP context.
Yes.
Comma you write
Yes.
configuration, you write comma configuration.
DB configuration?
No, not normal. I mean, you created some configuration file that is required. In this write data notation. First write data configuration. You have fine. You can select it. After that, you need to close that with the angular bracket. You started with angular bracket. Close with angular bracket. Put angular bracket. No, angular bracket closing greater than symbol. Where are you starting? See, system dot data dot entity dot migrate database to latest version. See, before that you have an angular bracket or not?
Yes, before this angular bracket.
No, then you need not there. No. Here see, new system dot data dot entity dot migrate database to latest version. After that you have a less than symbol.
Oh yes. Sorry. Yes.
Now put here start and close the bracket. You are calling a constructor there. Start and close brackets in that. Inside that, after the greater than symbol, put here start and close brackets. Empty set of brackets you put. Yes. Start the bracket, close the bracket. Yes. At the end you put semicolon. Yes. Okay, now try to create one more entity. Try to create another entity.
Okay.
So you can in fact comment the code, whatever code you have in the bottom. You can comment this code. Comment that code totally. Yes, comment
all
that.
This.
You can comment it. You go to the tools and from tools.
It's
HTML source editing. HTML source editing. Click on HTML source editing. That one. Yes. Okay. Now one more entity you create. Go to the class files. You created employee, then department. One more thing is what you created there. You created one more entity. So you have total 3 entities. One address entity. One is what EMP entity. One more thing is you have their department entity. Try to create one more entity in that.
Okay. So same like system dot data dot
No,
entity.
not that. Where
right?
is entity? Where you have entity? In fact, in the bottom you have entities. Employee you have there.
Yes, employee
Try to create one more
department.
entity in that. Create another entity.
After department.
Yes, after department, try to create another entity there.
Okay.
What entity you make in this? Some entity you can make.
Okay.
Public telephone number, something like that you can put. Contact number.
Okay.
Public class, contact number. Contact number. So here, right, start the curly brace. Here, right, inside that, right, some ID kind of thing you put. Public int, contact ID, contact number ID. You instead of saying contact number, you put contact. Just put contact only, not contact number. Just put contact on the top. Class name.
Oh, okay, yeah, okay.
Here, right, contact ID. Okay, start the curly brace, close curly brace. In this, right, set and get. You make this as primary key in this. How do you make this as primary key? Yes, key you put. Okay, next here, right, other thing is what? Public, right, public int. So contact type you write. Contact type. So contact type. This is not int. It's going to be string. You put it as string. It is email or it is mobile number, landline, like that you can put. String it is. So followed by contact type. In this, you just write get and set. It's compulsory. This is required. How do you put required in this? Yes, required here you need to put. Okay. After that, you write there public string here write uh, contact resource. Take the contact resource. Yes, here get set. Then here this must be adding with the employee table. So employee ID should be here foreign key. So try to put like that. EMP ID you put in this now. This is not foreign key. How it can be foreign key? Contact resource. It is only required. You must put required attribute that much.
Oh, yes.
Required. Okay. Now scroll down after that. But wait, after that, now try to write foreign key here. Foreign key should be employee ID. For every you have contact, more than one contact or just one contact you have there. Put foreign key. Right here. Table name is what? Employee.
Table employee.
Employee you put
Okay.
here. Employee. Capital E you take. Employee you put. Employee. Yes. After that, put it here. Public int employee EMP ID.
This one.
Yes. Same thing. Correct. Put there. So, apart from this, what you need to put here? One more important thing you need to put. Just go to the previous class and see. Go to the address. In the address, what is specified? See. Go to address class in this. In the address class, in the bottom, some virtual is created. See, virtual employee is created. Take that. The set and get also you take and put it. Copy that and try to put in the bottom. Yes. Okay. Like this you created. Now the DB set you need to create for this. Why it's giving error? It's giving somewhere error. Why it's giving error? Just see. Scroll down.
Where?
It's giving error here. See, in the bottom you have error. Delete that extra line. But that line is required. Somewhere you miss something in this.
There's a bracket is there. So this bracket, there's end of file. This is end of file. This is good. The brackets.
Go to the beginning.
Okay.
Complete beginning. Go there. You need to.
Yeah, this is extra.
Remove that. Remove that. Fine. Now come down and see. In the bottom you should not have error.
Yeah, now it's
Error
gone.
disappeared. Fine. So now what you do?
Yeah.
You go to the DB set. In the DB context, you must create another DB set here. Yes. DB set. Yes. What do you write in this?
It's I write down from here.
What's the entity name? Contact. Correct. Go up and create contact in this. Here write contacts. Just put contacts. Lowercase. Contacts. In the curly braces put set and get. Yes, like this. Okay, this is fine. Now come to the main method. In the main method, just try to run the application once. Just try to run application. What happens? See in that first. Okay, now go to the database and see. What are the tables available in that? Need to refresh this.
Refresh tables. Department. There is a. I just refresh here. Maybe
Yes.
tables. Yeah, there is no contact table.
Yes. Remove this window in the right side, whatever you have. Close this first. Yes. Close totally. Close there. Close.
Okay.
This is fine. Now once again try to run application.
Okay, just click here. Just run.
Okay, nothing is happening. Now here what you do,
Nothing.
try to create some, I mean, try to create, so here write EMP context, right, give a space, some cxt equal to new EMP context you put, equal to new EMP context, start and close bracket, you put 90 there, okay, semicolon you put, then write here cxt dot here, here write contacts, you take contacts dot add there, add, put add there, right, in this new, in the brackets write new contact, in the brackets, write new contact you put contact, CONTACT, yes, new contact, start the curly braces, curly brace you start, inside the curly braces, right, first thing is contact ID equal to, put some 100, semicolon, I mean 100 you put, 100 you type 100, put comma, next write contact type equal to, in the double quotes put it as something like, here it is email you put, after that put comma, give a space there, now write here contact resource equal to, write it as here, so try to set some email ID you put here, some email ID you put in the double quotes, some email ID you put here, yes, okay, after that .com, after that put comma, something is required, that's all, after that put comma, then here space, so ID you have here, ID means which ID, that is, it's not contact ID, you are getting both the things, why you get ID and contact ID in that, contact ID is coming here, ID is it, can you show me contact class once, can you show contact class, scroll down in this,
contact class. Yeah, this is the contact class, that one.
So where is ID?
Where
is employee ID? Where is employee? You put here EMP ID. This one. Yes, EMP ID. You put what is ID in this? You have tried to put there. Can you go up in this? In the employee class, what did you see? In the employee class, go up in the employee class. It is ID. Put it as EMP ID here. In the employee class, put it as employee ID. This one. Yes, employee ID you put.
This one?
Yes. Capital E use.
Yeah.
Employee ID. Employee ID, put
Yes.
total class name.
Oh, sorry. Employee ID?
Yes,
You
yes,
mean?
yes.
Oh, oh, okay. Okay.
Employee ID, capital I, small d input. Scroll
Yeah. Yeah.
down, scroll down. Okay, then in this, further scroll down.
This one then employee ID is fine, right?
No, no, you should need to put here employee ID total. Whatever is there, that only you must put here. Employee ID put. In the address, put employee ID. Okay, take in the, here also put employee ID.
Here, right?
In the address, yes, put employee ID. Yes, put it. Come to the contact, there also put employee ID. In the place of fine. Now, just come to the code main method. So inside this, now move to the left side here. You move towards right side here. In this code, you move towards right side. Yes. Okay. You remove comma here. Just remove comma in this here. Remove comma. Here see. No. Yes, remove comma. Okay. At the end of that, put a semicolon there. At the end, you put a semicolon. Fine. Now, the context you have here. So next, come to the next line here. After that, after CXT, come to the next line there. Come to the end. Right there. CXT dot database dot to take database dot save you write. Save you write. Capital S you have, I
Save.
think.
No
You must
save.
have save there.
We have no save. Let's save.
Okay. Can you go up in this CXT dot? Not CXT, just with CXT only try to write. Remove the database there. Remove database.
Okay.
CXT dot. Anything like saved you have seen this. Try to do with the save. Type S. Save
Save
changes.
change. Save.
Yes. Start with close brackets. Semicolon you put. Now just try keep a breakpoint and try to run. Yes. And the above there you put it. So what it says in this?
This is exception.
No, no. It's not contained saying here.
This is a database creating using code for.
Yes, first one we have done this. Just close here this one. Close this. Go to the beginning of that. In the beginning you go there. Beginning of the main method. Okay. Migrate database to latest versions we have here. Set initializer. This is fine. Update if we use it comes, but using code only we should do this particular thing here. If you come to the context class, what is written in the context class is just see.
This is a contact class.
No, no, it's not just entity, that is context class. I'm saying about context class. Can you configuration? Where is configuration class? Just show me. Configuration class. Open that. EMP context we have taken. Okay. Seed also we have taken context only emp context base.seed emp context it is automatic migrate data loss or load equal to true, that is automatic migration enabled equal to true we have written, that is fine. Once again come to program.cs. Program.cs. Okay,
Yes.
in this go to the main method. Main method. Now here you remove the comment. Just remove the comment here. Whatever comments you have, just try to remove the comments.
All.
Yes. Remove no remove comments. That's all. Yes. Now try to run. This time you run.
Oh, sorry.
Procket is missing somewhere. It's saying there is a procket missing. Stop it. It's error. Yes. Close the procket. Stop from running. You have a procket in that. You need to close the procket. For the using, after that successfully, here see,
Yeah.
after that try to put a close the bracket. Close the bracket there. Close bracket. Curly brace. Now try to run. Yes. Proceed.
Database has
Yes.
created
Yes.
successfully. Oops. Now this is error.
Yes. Okay. Fine. No, but go to database and see what is happening in that. This is fine. Close the application from running. Just go to database and see there whether tables are created or not properly. Yes.
Yes, contact is there now.
Yes, we are creating now. All this is fine. So go to the relationship diagrams and see there.
Oh, sorry, 1 second.
Once again, yes. Refresh. Yes, comes up correct. And properly they are getting now connected. Okay, close. That's not required. That's not required. This is getting connected properly. Anyhow, go to the code once. Comment those last lines. Go to the code. Comment those last lines. This one, EMP context, you comment those. Why it is not working? We check
These
tomorrow.
three,
Yes, the 3 lines you
these
comment.
3 lines?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Comment it. Why it's not working? I'll tell you tomorrow. But like this, what is happening? You could actually create database if not existing. So whenever model is changing, you can drop existing one and you can create like this. So this is basically entity framework code first model.
Yes.
So try to understand these things
Code
here.
first.
These data annotations, what are these? Try to understand, Mansoor. You check more and more in the Google.
Yes. Yeah,
Okay.
I just confused with this configuration file. Why you create this configuration file then?
So that configuration file automatically whenever I add data it should be taking for that purpose I created. I'll explain tomorrow how it is working and
Oh,
how
okay,
it
okay,
works.
okay.
So this is again entity
Okay.
framework itself is a very big topic in fact.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Fine Mansoor.
Okay.
Tomorrow we meet.
Okay, thanks. Bye. So you are coming to tonight, right?
Which one?
You are coming tonight,
Tonight I'll mail you.
8:30?
No, I'll be available but I'll be mailing you.
Okay. Okay, I'm waiting for your mail. Okay. Thanks.